So what we need to do here is we need to change your answer so that you're guaranteed to get 1 decimal place. In the exam the next day and in your Leaving Cert exam, you will be provided with the Python reference guide. And it's really important that you can kind of get used to using this. Now look at your main data types. Boolean is true and false. Only 2 data types, your integer, your float, your string there, your list, your numeric operators. Like, it really does try and help you. String methods. Whatever your string is, dot upper to make it uppercase. Whatever your string is, dot lower to make it lowercase. Your list, an empty list. Look at here, stores X with index I. So this is if you're overwriting. This is if you're going back, or, different things there up to you to go to. So we're interested in round here. This fella here. And this takes round. And notice, watch this. Notice how there's 2 arguments given here, right? There's 2 arguments. And it says returns the n1 number rounded to n digits. I find that very quite difficult. But if you're in an exam the next day, start off by going like this. Round. And see what happens, right? Watch this. Please enter your number. So I'm going to say 3 multiplied by 3.2. Now, hopefully that's going to give us a decimal number answer, shouldn't it? 3 by 3.2. Should that give us 9.6? Yeah. And we get an answer of 10. Now, why did it give an answer of 10? Because by default, if I only provide 1 argument, which is the thing I want to round, what does it do? It rounds it correct to the nearest whole number. So if I want to round it correct to 1 decimal place, I need to go and provide 2 arguments and tell it that I want to go to 1 decimal place. Let's try that again. 3 by 3.2. So 3 by 3.2. And you get 9.6. Let's now, that is definitely 9.6. Let's try 3 by 3.3333333. And I get 10.0 there, because obviously my answer was getting up on 9.999999999, and I rounded it off to 10.0. Let's try one more. 5 by 4.35, and you get 21.8. So I don't know if there was more in that or something, but that's rounding it to 1 decimal place. Here's 2 decimal places. So, sorry, accidentally hit that. 2 decimal places here. Run it. Get the number 3 by 3.435167, whatever, 10.31, 2 decimal places. So the big thing to understand, if you only provide 1 argument, which is the thing you want to round, it'll round it to the nearest whole number. As I said there, 3 by 4.567 or something, it'll give you to the nearest whole number. If you give 1 argument with it, it rounds it to 1 decimal place. And looking back at the reference guide, which I don't think is a massive help in this particular one, take whatever you want to round, so we're calling that n1, the number that you want to round, and how many digits you want to round it to. Does that make sense, everyone? Yeah? Yes? Okay. Oh,